going to begin making our review video for section 11.1. That's chapter 11, section 1, and the learning target for that section is to solve problems by making a table. There's no new vocabulary, and we're going to jump right in and do an example here. The first example says, the list shows the ages of 25 persons selected at random from the audience of a recent showing of a comedy movie. Make a frequency table of the ages using intervals from 17 to 24, 25 to 32, 33 to 41 to 40, 41 to 48, and 49 to 56. And then what is the most common interval of attendance? So I'm going to say, well, 17 to 24, that's my age group. And then this would be the tally, and then the frequency. In other words, how often does that come up? Then the next age group would be 25 to 32, 33 through 40, 41 to 48, and 49 through 56. Okay, these are all equal intervals, and I just start through here and I go to, well, 26. That would fall into this category. 42 would fall into that category. 22 falls into this category. 26 falls into this category. 24, again in that category. 21 into this category. 27 into that category. Excuse me, 35 would go into this category. 28 would go into the second category there. 18 goes there. 19 goes here, so that makes 5 of those. 25 goes here, so that makes 5 of those. 46 is the second one in that category. 31 goes here. 29 goes into that same category. 17 into the first. 56 into the last. 19 goes into the first again. 41 goes here. 23 goes into this category. 38 would go right here. 20 into that category. 21 also into that category, so that now gives me 10 in that category. 25 into this category, and 22 into that first category. So I'm going to check here. There's 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11 entries in that category. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 in that category, 2 in this category, 3 in this category, and 1 in that category. I do want to run a check and make sure that I've got the 25, that the 25 people that were from my sample. So 11 plus 8 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 1 is a total of 25. So I have 25 entries. I just did that as a double check. And the most common or the most frequent interval is the ages from 17 to 24. There's 11 people that are falling within that age group. So 11 to 24 is the most common interval of ages in attendance. The list shows the favorite sports of 25 people selected at random. In the list, S represents soccer, B represents basketball, F represents football, and V represents volleyball. So let's do the same kind of thing here. I'm going to say S and B and F for football and V for volleyball are the different categories. Then I'm going to have a frequency area. Well, I'm sorry, I'm going to have a tally, and then the frequency. All right, so as I start through each of these, volleyball gets 1 entry, basketball gets an entry, soccer has an entry, football has an entry, volleyball a second entry, soccer, volleyball, football, volleyball, soccer, soccer again, football, basketball, soccer becomes my fifth entry in soccer, basketball, basketball again, soccer, volleyball becomes my fifth entry in volleyball, football, soccer, football, fifth entry in football, sixth entry in football, basketball, fifth entry in basketball, soccer, and volleyball. All right, so if I go 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 for soccer, 5 for basketball, 5, 6 for football, and 5, 6 for volleyball. Again, I want to check to make sure that I've added, that I've got all entries for every one. So 8 plus 8 plus 5 is 13, plus 6 is 19, plus 6 more is the 25 that I had. So the most frequently selected sport as their favorite would be soccer. So soccer is the most frequently selected as their favorite sport. So soccer. Thank you.